Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by connecting, open SSMS, and sign into the server instance where the database will live. Once connected, you'll see Object Explorer, right-click Databases and choose New Database. Give the database a concise name. This matters for scripts and backups. Make sure you're using an account with Create Database Rights, because this action writes system metadata and creates files. After naming, pause, check the owner field and default file locations so you don't have to move files later. Once done naming, configure the data and log files. Change logical names, initial sizes, and auto-growth settings so SQL Server won't trigger many tiny growths. Set sensible values like 10 MB or larger. Make sure data and log files point to appropriate paths. Placing them on separate volumes improves performance and recovery. Next, pick a recovery model and collation that match your backup and language needs, because these choices affect restore behavior and string sorting. When settings look right, click OK to create the database. After creation, refresh Object Explorer and open the database properties to confirm file sizes, paths, and settings. Create a small test table or run select one to verify connections and permissions. Then map logins to database users and assign roles like DB owner or DB data reader as needed. If you hit errors, a common fix is to ensure the SQL Server service is running and remote connections aren't blocked by a firewall. Also verify you used the correct authentication mode. That single check resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.